Okay. I did look at it. And I want this tree to have a little bit more oomph, especially so I'm putting a little blue in there, the indigo, because there's blue spruce all over Colorado. We had one in our backyard. It was so big. Okay. And I'm gonna put a little bit up in here. Okay. Be careful with my darkers up here. Okay. The other thing, because I did put purple, I'm just going to put a little bit of purple in here. Hither and yon, just you know, get my, maybe I'll do right here, right there, yeah, okay. Okay, so we're putting a couple of birds up in here, and then we're done, I think. Yes. I don't know what that is. I can push this back more, right? There. Okay. So